Have you ever heard a word that's so deep, so full of meaning, that a single English word just can't do it justice? Well, let me introduce you to a beautiful concept from the Philippines. You might look it up and see translations like community spirit or cooperation, but honestly, that's just scratching the surface. Bayanihan is so much more. Imagine an entire village literally lifting a house on their shoulders to move it to a new location. This is the classic image of Bayanihan. It's not just about helping, it's about a whole community coming together, sharing a burden without anyone asking for payment or keeping score. It's a collective act of compassion, a powerful display of unity and shared humanity all rolled into one. It's the feeling of we're all in this together and we'll face any challenge as one. This spirit isn't just a thing of the past, confined to old black and white photos. It's alive and well in the Philippines today. When a typhoon hits, you see Bayanihan in action. Neighbors help neighbors rebuild their homes. Strangers donate food and clothes. And communities organize relief efforts almost instantly. It's the spontaneous outpouring of help that expects nothing in return. During the recent global health crisis, community pantries popped up all over the country. The concept was simple. Take what you need, give what you can. That's buy. And it's seeing a need and filling it, trusting that the person next to you will do the same. You also see it in everyday life. If someone's car breaks down on the side of the road, it's not uncommon for a group of strangers to rush over and help push it. When a family faces a personal tragedy, the entire neighborhood chips in, offering everything from a hot meal to a shoulder to cry on. It's an unspoken social contract, a deep-seated cultural instinct to look out for one another. This isn't about obligation. It's about connection. It's a heartfelt, voluntary act that strengthens the bonds of the community. So why doesn't English have a word for this? Maybe it's because our cultures are shaped by our histories and environments. In the Philippines, a nation of over 7,000 islands, often facing natural calamities, relying on each other wasn't just a nice idea, it was a survival strategy. This shared struggle forged an unbreakable sense of community. Bayanihan is a testament to the idea that our greatest strength lies in our connection to each other. It's a powerful reminder that when we work together with empathy and a shared purpose, there's nothing we can't overcome. The word itself comes from bayan, which means town, nation, or community. The ihan suffix turns it into a collective action. So, Bayanihan is literally doing something for the community. It's a beautiful, powerful concept that shows how language can capture the very soul of a culture. It's more than just a word. It's a way of life, a philosophy of interconnectedness that we could all learn a little something from. It teaches us that helping others isn't a transaction. It's an affirmation of our shared humanity. So the next time you see people coming together to support one another, think of Bayanihan. An essay word that proves that the most powerful forces in the world are often the simplest. Unity, compassion, and the incredible strength of a community with a shared heart. Thank you so much for watching and learning about this piece of Filipino culture with me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more stories from around the world. See ya in the next one!